皆さん、こんにちは、こんばんは。Welcome to today's lesson on the Japanese grammar point, ついでに. If you want to pause the video while you collect your things, go ahead and press pause. Then hit play again when you are ready. So let's begin. Understanding how to use ついでに can make your Japanese sound more natural and efficient. So listen very carefully. ついでに is used to express the idea of taking the opportunity to do something else while carrying out an initial action. It translates to while you are at it, on the occasion, or taking the opportunity to. You can use ついでに after a dictionary form of the verb. For example, 行きます is 行くついでに. You can also use it with nouns. Example, 買い物。買い物のついでに。ついでに implies that the second action B is an additional task taken up because of the first action A. Example, コンビニに行くついでにジュースを買ってきて。コンビニに行くついでにジュースを買ってきて。This means, while you're going to the convenience store, please buy me a juice. Let's have another example. 出張のついでに観光地を訪れました。出張のついでに観光地を訪れました。On the occasion of my business trip, I visited tourist spots. This sentence means that while the speaker is on A or doing A, the speaker took the opportunity to do B. I have prepared one more example for you. 散歩のついでにこの手紙を出してくれる？散歩のついでにこの手紙を出してくれる？ While you're out for a walk, could you mail this letter for me? Think of ついでに as, since I'm already doing A, I will also do B. It is different from the Nagara pattern. ついでに is for taking the opportunity to do something additional B during the initial action A, whereas Nagara is for doing two actions simultaneously. Now, please try to translate the following sentence. 買い物のついでに友達の家に寄った。買い物のついでに友達の家に寄った。Please write your answer in the comment section. That's all for today, guys. Good luck!